Hello Year 9 and welcome to our assembly on the importance of sleep. Today we'll be looking at what happens when we sleep, what the benefits good quality sleep bring to us, the strategies to promote good sleep and where to seek support if sleep is difficult for you. Sleep is a normal occurrence in everyday life and all living things sleep at least once a day. Although it may look quiet and peaceful, several things go on in the brain and the body while we sleep, which help to keep us physically and emotionally healthy. When it is dark, our bodies produce a hormone which tells our bodies to sleep. 11 to 16-year-olds are recommended to get at least 8 to 10 hours sleep a night. Physical activities during the day improve your sleep pattern. A good night's sleep has a positive impact on the brain and body, improving performance and productivity. It is recommended to not use any screen technology 1 hour before bedtime. Sleep affects your physical appearance as well as your mood, mental health and your memory. So what happens when we sleep? Sleep helps the brain function. It helps with concentration and mood. The activity in the brain during sleep improves concentration and mood. It also improves your memory. Overnight, information moves from our short-term memory to our long-term memory. It also improves productivity and performance, decision-making and cognitive performance. Our ability to think are improved by sleep. Sleep helps the body function. It helps the immune system. It releases special proteins. The body releases special proteins when you are asleep. This supports the immune system. Sleep regulates hormones. The hormone levels in the body are balanced out. And it also helps repair and growth. The body works to grow and repair muscles, organs, and other cells. This is all done when we are asleep. Sleep and young people. As teenagers, you will want to go to bed later, but still have to start work or college early in the morning, so therefore are not getting enough sleep. You will then try and catch up the missed sleep, the sleep debt at the weekend. Poor sleeping patterns can cause short and long-term issues. Please take a moment to look at the different things that poor sleep may contribute to. So, how can we have good sleep? Good quality sleep is associated with increased strength, stamina and endurance, both physically and mentally. Good sleep is also associated with an increased ability to learn, remember and organise our lives and manage stress. You can see there are 3 types of routine which can help you have good quality sleep. Bedroom routine, bedroom environment and daytime routine. If you just take a moment to have a look through those and see, by making little changes, are you able to have a good night's sleep? Good sleep top tips. So there are some top tips on this page and some things that you should or shouldn't try doing before you go to sleep, including avoiding long weekend lie-ins. So try not to have those late nights and long lie-ins over the weekend, because that could disrupt your body clock and make it harder for you to go to sleep on Monday. I hope you found this PowerPoint useful. Please, if you just take a look, if you are worried about lack of sleep or sleep is making things difficult for you, please speak to your parent carer or ask them to make you an appointment with your GP. You can also speak to somebody at school, your form tutor, head of year, or any member of staff that you feel comfortable with. Thank you for listening.